Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Couture. Today I'm going to show you how to create this Be Your Best board. Now this board is actually a gift for my chiropractor over at Clear Chiropractic Upper Cervical Care. She owns this practice and it's unlike any other chiropractic office I've been to. There's no bending, popping, or twisting. Dr. Bell and her amazing team welcome you into the office. They'll actually take advanced imagery and see exactly how your balance is. And then with a gentle touch, they make one adjustment in your neck and then the rest of your spine falls into place. No pain, lasting results. Now let's get on to the project. We're using the E-size Be Your Best transfer and the 18.5 by 24.5 Grayson frame. For colors, we're using Forget-Me-Not, Storm, Bright White, and Peacock. For tools, we're using our 4-inch squeegee, multi-tool, small and mini squeegee, and the fuzzing cloth. Once you have fuzzed your transfer, we're ready to start. Now, I'm going to be using the paste and peel method. I'll break this down into 3 sections, the top, bottom, and middle. I'll apply the paste on pretty thick, and then working backwards, I will remove the paste and then peel the transfer up, cool it with the cool setting on my hairdryer, and then just lay the transfer back down. We'll do the same thing on the bottom, starting with the Forget-Me-Not, Storm, Peacock, and then, of course, Bright White. And then we will remove that going backwards with the White, Peacock, Storm, and Forget-Me-Not. Peel the transfer up. We'll apply cool setting from our hairdryer, dry it, and then place that transfer back down. Now in the middle section, I want to do something different. So I'm using the multi-tool in white and in Forget-Me-Not on kind of a stripe method. And then on gold, I'm going to use the hot mess method. You guys know I love this method. So the hot mess, you literally put little blobs of your paste. You start making circles and then you just smear it off. On the stripe method, you actually just use a small squeegee and create that stripe look. Look at the results. It's so amazing. And one final dry setting. We're going to use that cool setting. And this turned out so great on this white Grayson board. And it matches their logo colors in their office perfectly. So it should look pretty amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's project. Check for all of your shopping links down in the description. Thanks. Bye.